Guns and Silver. 5 days ago or last week, I made a video about trading this particular knife, a JA Henckels HK0135 model bone handle knife, in near new condition. It's new, it just has some scratches on the bolsters and an issue with one rivet, cap of one rivet on the back handle, which is documented in the video I have about wanting to trade. It's fully documented. If you get a chance, check that out. If you have a knife that you believe is good quality, good trading stock, I'll be open to it. I don't need to get the Buck Duke 500. I'd like one, but it's not a deal breaker. If you have a fine knife you'd like to trade, like I said, I'm open to collectible knives, case, you name it. The Trapper series I like also. There's a number of knives I like. This particular knife is in excellent condition. It's got the good snap to it. Never used, blade's in perfect condition. Serialized number. Oh, there it is. 0233. It's earlier in the serial runs than either of my two green pick bone versions of it that I have. And that's one of the reasons I'm trading this. I really don't need this particular knife since I've replaced my knife of 25 or so years, 26 years that I had as a gift with a nearly new HK0135 GP knife I got last week to kind of revitalize the feelings I had for my first JA Henckels knife. This one, no, I'm willing to get rid of for a trade to something comparable. If you have one, let me know. I'm open to it.